The concept of order picking is well established in distribution systems throughout the world. In recent years, companies have worked hard to fine-tune the methods and equipment used to make the picking process fast and efficient. A whole variety of machines has been developed by manufacturers to meet these demands. Often working around the clock and dealing with heavy consignments of goods, electric order picking trucks are invariably heavy-duty, robust machines. They can withstand intensive use in large warehousing and distribution facilities. At the same time, there's something of a revolution taking place where it comes to order assembly. Let's take, for example, online shopping on the internet. For many companies, this has meant developing new methods because much smaller consignments are being put together, often for a single retail customer. It's almost a matter of back to basics. Arguably, the most efficient solution is to use a manually pushed cage or trolley, which can work in confined areas or on mezzanine floors that would be unable to take the size and weight of traditional order picking trucks. Having said that, the manual solution has some significant implications when it comes to speed of operation and operator fatigue. On a typical day, an order assembly worker will travel on foot between 15 and 30 kilometers at a speed of just 3 to 5 kilometers an hour. It's for this reason that a new generation of equipment has now been developed that allows mechanization even in light and frequent order picking environments. These simple order picking trucks provide a remarkable degree of flexibility. Based on an ingenious concept which involves a single universal power unit, various chassis configurations are available that simply hook up to roll cages and trolleys. Being light in weight, they can comfortably work in mezzanine floor situations. They're easy to drive, remarkably maneuverable, and they're able to work in the most confined spaces. At the same time, they can achieve high travel speeds and pull loads up to 500 kilos. The concept was developed in Sweden by a man called Helge Nyberg, who was employed in the late 50s to assemble orders around the Volvo parts warehouse. He started by developing a number of manual trolleys with some additional features, like a writing table and a ladder for climbing to higher levels. The concept is extremely simple, and it's now been adapted for the 21st century with electric power. This type of equipment is now finding its way into a whole variety of applications, such as small stores where space can be limited, and in manufacturing systems acting as a supply vehicle for the production line. Units of this type are also being used in distribution systems in offices and in such places as hospitals and airports. In fact, anywhere you use a trolley, this type of solution can provide significant increases in efficiency. It's calculated that by using this type of truck, efficiency improvements of anything between 30 and 60% can be achieved compared with manual picking. And performance gains of that magnitude can very quickly be translated into a clear cost justification. The range of applications for which this kind of equipment can be used is almost limitless. And with the anticipated rapid growth in internet shopping over the next few years, the demand for light and frequent order picking is bound to grow significantly. From the point of view of logistics managers, it's good to see that manufacturers are anticipating that need and responding with equipment that allows for easy picking.